starting to get the cake sweats. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah,
it's like
no,
if you're asking what I would do with one of these ingredients, I'll tell you.
Yeah,
As someone who has
tell us.
absolutely no ability to execute. That's a honking slut. Yeah, okay. Why am I judging what he's doing? I shut your lips, Lauren. Tonight's desserts.
Wait, say that again. She started singing.
Sorry. Pivot.
Pivot.
This guy is like a garbage disposal.
He got a lot of cape action over here.
Oh, we're tangled, we're tangled.
Flamencos gone workos. If I could cast a spell and give you more time, I would.
I would not. I would take away time.
He would absolutely
I would
not.
absolutely take away time.
Oh, this is my first time using my
But
biscuit.
okay, we didn't.
Hey! Oh, wait.
Yeah, get over here. I need two.
In round one, we asked for floral.
Here you go, take this.
Seamless. Never have one lesson.
Yeah, I see.
Stop it. Stop it.
The only way to wrap up an ingredient.
You gave us some pies of the, what is it? Dang, I thought I remembered.
30 minutes or 30 seconds? He's been asked to put the pie down, yeah.
I gotta get it out. Woo.
Wow, that's really good. Please don't touch my microphone.
The winner of each round will win a prize.
Coming to taste your spiders. Now we're coming to taste your donuts. We're coming to taste your worms.
I'm gonna just start it out and give you a snap. My snap didn't even come out good. We'll be right back after this commercial break.
What are we pairing black garlic with, though?
So.
What about like a pork spare ribs? I'm not saying we're gonna see a pork cake, though I'd be open
Brown
to
sugar?
it. We are absolutely unraveled at what's happening on the
I
station.
like it. This is
Confused?
I love it.
Excited?
I love it. What are we gonna do? Who knows? I don't know.
I don't know where it is. I'm getting really, really nauseous looking
Yeah,
through
this is barfy.